Here's a trick that we like to use when we install these Schluter Kerdi pans. You can see our funky looking corner. We have this included Kerdi membrane with the pan. We cut it down to fit our pan, and we actually had to cut the pan down a little bit, so this piece of Kerdi paper is big enough to cover the entire pan in one piece, plus do all of our wall banding as well. So you can kind of see how that funky dragon tooth looking corner is. What that does is it allows us to push it right into the corner like that, and we've already got our inside corners installed. And so having the corners installed like this will allow us to keep our buildup to a very minimum by not having significant overlap in the corners. That's usually the biggest complaint with the Schluter system, is the buildup in the corners from all the overlaps. Well, if you cut your strips like we did, then you barely have any more than just 2 layers anywhere. And that keeps the buildup small enough that even our 1/4 by 1/4 notch trowel that we're setting these 4x16s with will easily go over that and not give us any kind of funky shape. We've already spread our wall mud as well, so now it's just a matter of smoothing the pan and then hitting the wall joint, and then that's it. The pan's installed. Anyway, if you have any comments, feel free to leave them below. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to keep updated with our other how-to videos, finish shower and finished floor tile videos. And again, if there's a video you'd like us to do that we haven't done, don't hesitate to send a request and we'll be happy to oblige. If you're in the central Missouri area and you're looking for a tile installer, feel free to call me at 573-289-1045. Thanks for watching.